Now we're going to look at a second skill, which is converting fractions to decimals. Now, as an example, let's use 9/20. Now, if I can make the bottom of this into 100, then we can just reverse the process that we did in the previous example. Now, in order to make the bottom 100, I've had to multiply by 5. I do the same to the top. 9 times 5 is 45. So I've got 45 over 100. So that's going to be 0.45. 45 1/100ths. Remember, when you divide by 100, you just move a decimal point 2 places. So if we think about 45 divided by 100, that's where the decimal point would go, and then just pop a 0 in front. As a second example, let's look at 7/25. Once again, can we make that over 100? Well, yes, we can. What we need to do is multiply by 4. And therefore, 7 times 4 is 28. And this one must be 0.28. Now, if we just had something like 4/5, rather than making the bottom 100, we could make it 10, multiplied in top and bottom by 2, and then 8/10 must be 8 in the tenths column, or dividing 8 by 10, just move the decimal point 1 place. Now, so far I've chosen denominators 20, 25, and 5 that all multiply easily to make 10 or 100. Now, if you've got something else, I've said that you don't have to do that manually. So if we have something like, I don't know, 6/15 or something, no, 6/15 is not a good choice, 6/11, then I'm not expecting you to do that without a calculator. So 6/11, we'll just do that. 6/11, and it says 6/11, but if we press this button here, it'll change it to a decimal, and then it's 0.545454, and so on.